So what I'm doing is I'm soaking this. I'm going to soak it for probably about 10-15 minutes so that the powder can get all the dirt out. And then once the powder kind of soak all the clothes and all the dirt's removed, I'll start washing it. And then I plan to hang it on the drying line here. So you guys will see how I wash the clothes. To be the last one I wash, so I'm going to use this to clean the drying line. This is quite, it's not strong. I need to tidy it. I need to tie it up a bit stronger. I don't think it's quite strong. I'll probably move the rope a bit further to make it stronger. So this is the soap we use. I've already soaked the items. You can see it's all soapy and all getting dirty. The dirt is getting rinsed out already. You can see. Yeah, right. Definitely washing a bit. Let's start washing. Alright. First, I'll start washing my green items because they're not that dirty. So just wash these ones. Probably as soon as I wash them, I'll rinse them straight. Right. What's that? Voila. So I'm just waiting for it to dry, then I'll just fold it and put it back in the wardrobe.